my name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. WoWEbony. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is a 13x6 HD lace Yaki straight wig. The SKU number is DLFW02. This is a 20-inch Indian Remy hair wig, cap size medium, hair density 150%. The cap construction includes 4 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. The knots have been deep bleached, and the hairline has been pre-plucked.